Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you the beginner guides and everything you need to know on HISENSE TV. So first things first, if you share your TV with house members or friends, then when you go to your profile, you can create their own profile right here. Then go into the settings and in picture mode, you can change the picture mode depending on what you need to watch right now. So we have the standard, cinema, energy saving, dynamic and sports. Of course, you can manually select the picture mode settings and here change some of these settings. We have the game settings. Game mode, it will optimize the PC or game console, reduces the input lag and improves responsiveness. Then go into the sound and like in the picture mode we have some pre-installed sound modes. So standard, theater, music, speech, late night and sports. And of course sound mode settings. In here, I'll recommend to enable the Dolby Atmos. It will transport you into a spatial sound experience that draws you in deeper so you hear more and feel more. We have the equalizer. If you know how to manage the equalizer, you can boost some of the frequencies right here. Wall mount setup will automatically optimize the sound based on the position of the TV, and we have the auto volume control that will activate to prevent sudden volume changes when switching TV sources. Now into the connection, we have the AirPlay. You can connect your iPhone with the TV to remotely control your TV with your device. And we have right here the karaoke mode. When you enable the karaoke mode, it will disable their voice services and enhance your voice. Here you can change the microphone volume and microphone device. Into the accessibility, we can here enable the subtitles and we have the high contrast menu, for example, remote control learning. Going into the system, we can change the date and time, language and location, and we have the voice service. When you go in here, you can set up the, for example, Alexa, Amazon Alexa, to play the videos, music, turn your TV on and off, change volume, everything hands-free just with your voice. Then into the support, we have system updates right here, so we can enable the auto update or check for available updates. And we have the self-diagnosis. You can perform self-diagnosis to test sound, picture, connection, everything right here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.